There's something wrong with MrBeast. He's gone from this
For this next challenge, we are playing hide and seek.
to this.
I'm doing my best to talk to you guys for content, but to be honest, I have like zero desire to speak.
What's happening? If you're not in the loop, here's what's happening. YouTube is changing, and it's changing fast. People are tired of high-octane challenges that make you feel good, but nothing afterwards. Empty, disconnected, but fun for a while. YouTube is now moving towards more emotionally charged content that make the viewers feel something, that gives the viewers a connection with the video or the creator. MrBeast's latest video, I Spent 7 Days Buried Alive, is a testament to this. You can see the contrast of his videos. He went from being high energy, explosive content to being more real and connected. Here's his first Buried Alive challenge. As you can see, he doesn't really show any sign of sadness, fatigue, or any weak emotion throughout. The video's tone is also overall very light. It's just him hanging out with his friends while being buried like 6 feet underground, and his friends are doing goofy stuff to distract him. And the challenge ends. There's no hardship, negative emotion, mentally or emotionally. He seems very positive all the time. But if you look at this second video he posted a few hours ago,
It's a weird feeling, like I'm very tired, but for some reason I can't sleep. I don't know, I've never had this happen before. Why am I crying? I don't know. I'm doing my best to talk to you guys for content, but to be honest, I have like zero desire to speak. It's hard to describe what the sun looks like after not seeing it for 7 days straight.
oh my gosh,
I started crying once again. I'm not sure why, I just couldn't help it.
we did it! Look at how different that is. You can see the reality of him being underground, buried for 7 days straight. There are moments where he feels sad, depressed, confused, and even anxious. Things that we never really saw in his previous videos. You can see in this latest video that MrBeast is a real person. Jimmy is a real person. This is where YouTube is going now. It's going back to those good old days where you feel like you're hanging out with the creator. You feel like you're spending your day with them. With the emergence of creators like Ryan Trahan, Sam Sulek, people are finding it a breath of fresh air to finally feel connected once more and closer to content creators. We've been bombarded with crazy stunts and flashy mansions in the past, and we're starting to crave content that is normal or simple, content that day-to-day people like you and me can relate to. Most of your viewers won't be able to emotionally connect with a $90 million mansion or a $2 million Lamborghini, but they'll be connected to that time where you felt nostalgic about your childhood, happy about that walk in the park you took today, or even disappointed at yourself for waking up late again. YouTube is entering a chapter where people can tell stories and share their feelings without worrying about the video being too long and that no one will watch it. We're entering a chapter in content creation where you don't have to own a Lamborghini or give away tens of thousands of dollars to people to catch their attention and get more views. Videos like simply buying your mom or dad a small gift can touch the hearts of so many viewers today. It's crazy and exciting. You don't need to be the next MrBeast right now to succeed. You just need to be you. So if you're a YouTube content creator watching this, here's what you should do. Number 1, study storytelling. Tell better stories. You know that feeling when someone tells you a story of how they messed up and learned this valuable lesson, and that story just stuck with you, and you bring that subconsciously wherever you go. That's the power of storytelling. Stories have the power to change our reality. Even fictional stories have the power to change the real world. And the stories you're gonna share, no matter how big or small, how simple or complex, it's going to impact 1, 2, or even hundreds of your viewers. These stories that we tell hold the power to impact people's lives, to change people's lives. And that's one thing that we should utilize in our videos. Tell better stories. Learn to tell better stories. Number 2, Be real. Have a connection with your viewers. Engage with them. Reply to their comments. Build a community. The reason why people trust influencers or content creators more than companies is because content creators or influencers are individual people. The viewers, the audience don't see them as this big entity, the machine to generate money. Content creators and influencers have the power to connect with their audience on a more personal level compared to these corporations. And that's what's special about us content creators, us YouTubers. So if you want to get more views, if you want to succeed, if you want to really grow your channel, be real. Be authentic and connect with your viewers. Number 3 is create videos that give value. Viewers choose to give you their precious time. You have to respect that by having your videos share value, whether that is through useful information, guides, or stories that will make them laugh or tear up. It's up to you. After watching your video, the viewers should leave with something. May that be an emotion, a lesson learned, or an actual experience? Have you ever watched a video that was entertaining, well edited, super fun and all, but after you watch it, you couldn't really remember what happened in the video? You were entertained for 1, 2, 3, or 10 minutes, but after that, what has the video contributed to you as a person? That's the question. That's the question that your viewers should be able to answer after watching your video. Do they feel motivated, inspired, happy? Do they feel sad? Did they learn something? What is that value that your video or your content gives to them? If you can't answer that, then you're probably not making good videos. And that's where you should start. So I hope this inspires you, and let me know in the comments what you think about MrBeast's new direction in content creation. Otherwise, watch this video next where I compile 27 minutes of high quality YouTube tips that you need to learn to boost your channel's growth. I'm sure you'll enjoy it.